basically మా role ఏంటంటే we are going to promote the innovation ideas among the students, and we are going to encourage the students towards entrepreneurs, so to conduct to initiate startups. Okay, so from our department till now 5 startups are registered and running, registered startups. And usually our strategy is we'll conduct one boot camp, we'll teach the technology and then ideation concept. Okay, we'll pick up the ideas, we'll make the students in terms of groups and we'll pick up the ideas from those groups, and then we'll conduct a hackathon. Okay, in the hackathon they are going to demonstrate their product as in prototype, not exact product,